Hi everyone, welcome to new video. I create a drop-down list for my data entry work. Let's see how to make a drop-down list in Excel. I enter all the names. Now I need to create drop-down list for the designation column. For that, create a designation list. Now select the cells and go to Data tab. Select Data Validation. Select List. And select the source. Click OK. The drop-down list is created. Now just select the designation from the list. Now I need to create drop-down list for gender. Let's do it the same way we did before. We have another method, let's see. For that, I clear the existing data and create new. In the source column, enter male, female, then click OK. Now the third column, do it the same way we did before. I forget to add head office in the list, so I am adding that one. Done. Hope you all liked this video. See you again with a new video. Thank you.